Hello everyone, I'm Anjali and this is my submission for the Find Evil Hackathon. This project is called SIFT MCP Forensic Agent. The problem is that AI powered attack happens very quickly and human investigation can take like several hours. So, the existing forensic tool often gives the AI agent directly the shell access, which can be really risky. So my solution is the MCP server where dangerous commands simply don't exist along with an agent that checks its own work before generating a report. This is my MCP server. I created around 11 safe forensic tools that traps volatility and Sleuth Kit commands. For example, this function validates the memory images, runs volatility internally, and returns structured results. The AI never creates cell commands directly. There is no function to execute arbitrary commands, so the agent cannot delete files, like neither it can download malware or modify the evidences. Nextly, this is my agent, like the LangGraph workflow I followed. So the investigation moves through 5 stages, that is like triage, deep analysis, AI analysis, self-correction, and reporting. So if the agent detects missing information, it loops back and investigate again. Like for my case, I put the 3 rounds. So the every tool call is logged with timestamp for transparency and auditing. So I built a dashboard, like you can use the Groq API key over here and you can like investigate from directly starting the investigation. For my case, I'm gonna use the terminal command, so I just put the agent on run, and the agent here, it's collecting the system information, image metadata, and the process list. When the deep analysis starts, now it's analyzing the network connections like the command line services and looking for code injection. So the when AI analysis starts, the AI is reviewing the evidences and like separating the confirmed findings from the inferred observation. And lastly, the when self correction start, this is my favorite part. Like the agent validates its own finding and checks for missing information and rerun analysis if needed. This helps reduce hallucination and improve accuracy. So the finding tab. Here are the key findings. The most suspicious process is mrc.exe running from a tool directory. The agent also detected an unusual high number of dream process. Additionally, OneDrive, Google Drive, and iCloud were identified as possible data exploration path. Every action like is logged with timestamp input and output. This makes every conclusion very like fully traceable. And here is the report tab where the final report clearly separates confirmed finding from inferred findings. This is like it gets generated over here as well in the submission file here, as right now it's running on, going on. Yeah. So I also want to be transparent about the limitation. So the AI agent flagged some normal applications such as Slack and Chrome as suspicious. It initially missed the mrc.exe because of token limit during analysis. So I document those issues in the accuracy report, because the goal isn't perfection, it was about building a trustworthy AI system. So the key innovation here is like the architectural safety. Instead of asking the AI not to run dangerous command, the MCP server simply doesn't provide those capabilities. Dangerous actions are impossible by design. So this project is open source under the MIT license. Thank you for watching.